When it comes to moving your vehicle, the transmission plays a vital role. Your transmission is responsible for changing gears and changing the speed to torque ratio in order to deliver power to your vehicle's wheels. Hundreds of components within the transmission work together to get you from one place to the next. Ensuring your transmission is in good working order is critical to the overall functionality of your vehicle. At Custom Complete Automotive, we are proud to offer unrivaled, cost-effective transmission services to keep your transmission and vehicle in excellent condition. At our transmission repair shops located in Columbia, Jefferson City, and St. Louis, Missouri, our ASE and CCA certified mechanics understand the important role your transmission plays in getting you where you need to be and are equipped to provide you with quality transmission services to keep your transmission in good repair. At our transmission shop near you, we provide the following transmission services. For manual transmission vehicles, we provide regular maintenance, which includes inspecting and adjusting the clutch pedal. If your vehicle is displaying any of the following symptoms, you should see an experienced auto mechanic for quality transmission services as soon as possible. Slipping between gears while driving, shimmying sensations while driving, leaks under your vehicle, usually pink, red, or brown puddles, clunking noises, a burning smell, grinding when changing gears, a delay between gear changes, a dragging clutch, the check engine light appears. Since a transmission replacement can cost up to $3,500, you want to make sure that you have a team of technicians working on your vehicle that is honest and committed to offering you cost-effective services. If you've been given a high repair or replacement estimate, we would love to provide you with a second opinion. We can also help you determine if your transmission is under warranty or if repairs are even worth it in most cases. At Custom Complete Automotive, we've been in the industry for over 40 years, and our team is ASE and CCA certified. At our transmission shops near Columbia, Jefferson City, and St. Louis, Missouri, our technicians have extensive experience working on all makes and models of vehicles and are equipped to handle any and all of your transmission repair needs. To learn more about our transmission services or to schedule an appointment at one of our convenient locations, contact us today at CustomCompleteAutomotive.com.